video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Android 10 output keeps switching on Samsung Galaxy. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your quick settings and toggle off Bluetooth completely on your device to make sure that your device does not get connected to any external speakers or headphones. The other thing that you can try and do is tap on your power icon and restart your device. The other thing that you can try and do is check the headphone port to make sure that no debris or lint is inside the physical port. One more thing that you can try and do is head over to your quick settings, head over to Bluetooth settings, and then from here what you can do is head over to advanced. Once you're inside advanced, what you can do is you can toggle off call audio sharing if it conflicts with media. If it still does not work, then what you can try and do is head over to settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, scroll down, tap on about phone, and then scroll down, hit reset. Once you're here, what you can do is tap on reset all settings and reset all settings on your device. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.